Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to make your Instagram profile private using the Instagram app on your PC, following the latest update. If you want to keep your posts and stories visible only to approved followers, this step-by-step guide is for you. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to make private. Once you're in, look to the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several icons. Find the one labeled More and click on it. This icon usually looks like 3 horizontal lines or dots, and it's your gateway to additional settings. After clicking More, a new menu will appear. From here, select Settings. This will take you to a page where you can manage all aspects of your Instagram experience, from notifications to privacy controls. Inside the Settings menu, look for the option called Account Privacy. Click on it to enter the privacy settings for your account. Here, you'll see the option to make your account private. To enable a private account, simply toggle the switch next to Private Account. Once you turn this on, only people you approve as followers will be able to see your posts, stories, and followers list. Anyone who isn't following you will need to send a follow request, which you can choose to accept or decline. A quick note: making your account private won't affect your current followers. However, new people who want to see your content will have to be approved by you. This is a great way to control who can interact with your profile and keep your Instagram experience more personal. That's it. You've successfully made your Instagram profile private using the app on your PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on mastering social media features. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new level of privacy on Instagram.